अस्सलाम वालेकुम friends, अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you patchwork baskets ideas. So friends, let's start today video. Friends, viewers, we are going to see a very creative and useful crafts ideas. It is a patchwork fabric basket. Patchwork basket are made by joining small pieces of fabric together. Different color patterns make the baskets look bright and beautiful. Patchwork is a wonderful way to use leftover fabric. Small pieces of cloth that are not used anymore can become something new and useful. A patchwork basket is not only beautiful but also very practical. You can use it in many ways at home. For example, you can keep sewing tools inside the basket. You can also use it to store your crochet hook or small crafts. Many people also use patchwork basket to organize toys or small household and weavers. This best thing about patchwork basket is their colorful design. Every basket looks unique because the fabric pieces are different. Some baskets are made with soft cotton fabric, some are made with old jeans or strong cloth. To make the basket strong, people often add a soft lining side. This helps the basket keep its shape. And viewers,